Day trading for beginners. Before I share with you my results, I want to tell you that my results may not be the same as yours, and you should only trade with money that you can afford to lose. But let me share with you my results. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or not. Day trading has never been so easy, providing you have the right tools. What is day trading? Well, day trading basically is you trade in one day and you close your trades by the end of the day in the hope to make a profit. Now, I made $1,664 in just 2 days. That's $832 per day. Or if you're in the UK, that's £663 per day. And if you're in Europe, that's €739 per day. All on complete autopilot using the Zukul trading bots. Let me show you the bot in action. Now, if you like this type of content, then make sure that you click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. And please kick that YouTube algorithm up the backside and give me the thumbs up. So let's have a look at my bot in action. So here I am in my Zukul account, and as you can see, I'm on the archive tab. So this is trades that have been carried out in the past. So I'm going to go right down the bottom of the screen. I'm not going to count this one here because that's the 12th. We're going to look at the 13th all the way up to the 14th because we're still on the 15th. It's not finished yet. So we've got, if you look on the far right here, we've got $96 profit, $96 profit, 92, 96, 96, 96, 96, coming up a little bit further, 96, 84, 96, 96, 84, 96, 84, 96, 92, 84, sorry, 96. And if you look, we come right up to the 15th, so we're not including that. So if you add all those trades up, that actually comes to $1,664 in just 2 days. Mind-blowing. Now, if you're interested in getting access to the Zukul robots, then head over to zukul.com, and if you click on products here, that will bring you down to this section, and that robot that did that trading was the binary options robot, and that just costs £40 or $40 or €40 per month, payable in Bitcoin. Now, as I said earlier, if you're interested in this type of content, you want to know more about trading and cryptocurrencies, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. You'll see that I have a ton of videos on how to get free cryptocurrency, how to make money with cryptocurrency, how to identify the next 1000x cryptocurrencies, how to trade, and much, much more. Subscribe to the channel, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. You have an amazing day. Bye now.